Hello, it's Wednesday the 30th. I'm FX Plur and this is CurrencyTransfer.com's market update. The headlines today are that sterling is lower after the vote, the dollar waits for the Fed to pause rate hikes, and the euro may see a return of QE. So to summarise last night's parliamentary debate and the votes, they all agreed that the current withdrawal agreement is dead, they don't want no deal Brexit, and Theresa May managed to unite Parliament behind the Brady Amendment, allowing her to return to Brussels to reopen the backstop negotiations. Despite them not wanting a no-deal Brexit, it does little more than give May 2 weeks grace or so, but no deal remains a real possibility. What it does remove is the obstacle causing Corbyn to refuse to meet Theresa May to discuss how Brexit can move forward. So step up, Jeremy, it's your time to shine. The market's got the picture pretty quickly, seeing no chance of reconciliation with Brussels and Parliament now unable to compromise or accept the deal as it's presented. Cable therefore fell to 130.50 pretty quickly, and if Brussels continues to refuse to reopen talks, it's unlikely that sterling can move much higher against a backdrop of such uncertainty. The dollar's been pretty flat as the Fed started their meeting yesterday. It never pays to second guess a central bank, but the market seems pretty certain that the US rates will remain unchanged at this meeting and will stay that way for probably the first half of this year. Whilst the interest rate differentials between the US and other G7 will stay the same, it could provide a little bit of support for the dollar as Japan, the Eurozone and the UK are all firmly on hold. When Draghi announced a withdrawal of the asset purchase scheme last year, he did say that if the economy failed to perform, then QE could be reinstated. And the data so far from the Eurozone has been pretty poor. And while further stimulus won't necessarily solve the problem, it could help make a recession shallower than without it. Euro-dollar traded in a pretty tight range yesterday, close to the 114.30 level. We'll keep you posted. If you've got any questions, please pop them in the comments below.